Hello and welcome to the Innovator Channel. Today we're going to be exploring one of the many uses for heat malleable plastic that is usually advertised being warmed up in water and then shaped to different things. However, that's not the case. You don't need to put it in water. You can essentially heat it up with anything to make it soft and squishy. So today we've got a little tying device for being used in this case for a slingshot to tie bands, and as we can see here, just like Blue Peter, if any of you remember, this is one I made earlier. But sometimes you need two. So today we're going to put a handle on this one. Don't need much. This material is totally reusable. So here we have a piece that's been trashed from another job, and we're going to heat it up, and you'll be amazed that you can actually handle it, as you can see, straight from the hot air gun, and it's not too hot, which is an amazing feature of it as well. So here we go. As you can see, straight away, it's been in the hot air gun. Straight away, take it, start to move it around, and not burning my hands. It will get hotter, but at the moment, no problem. And you can see that it's much quicker than heating a large lump up in water would take quite a long time. But with the hot air gun, as long as you do it carefully, it starts to soften up almost immediately. I probably won't need all of this material, so we'll work it around until we get about the size we want. Okay, it's a little bit warm now, but still quite capable of manhandling it. Visible. And I think we're nearly there. And a nice little feature. Okay. better. There we go. And just make sure it's nice and soft. Move it around, get any bubbles out. Pretty good, pretty close. Not going to worry too much about making it the same as the other one. They're only tools. Just need to warm it up a bit. It's cooling down quite quickly. Maybe just keep rolling this around just till it starts to go hard, and we will be done. Nice, tidy. If you decide you don't want the tool anymore, then you simply warm up the material, take it off and use it for something else. I suppose for all our cousins out in America, if you're going to be taking a slingshot with you out into the wilds, good way of carrying some material that you could use for other purposes by heating over a fire, perhaps in an emergency situation or survival situation. There we go, nearly done. And 2, good to go. And we're all done till next time.